Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name's Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. Let's get this thing straightened around here. I have 650 subscribers. When I hit 700, there will be another giveaway, but the giveaway that is open right now, giveaway number 4, is open until January 18th. So don't be shy if you want to subscribe and join in. That one will contain this yarn, a project bag that folds into a pocket, and a custom-made basket, which is complete, and I will put a picture of it on the cover of this video. And I might have put it on the community tab by the time that I post this as well. So there's that. All right. So this should post on Friday the 12th. And you guys, I was trying to do a tutorial on basket making. I am not at a skill level where I feel comfortable or have the equipment to film my hands working while I tell you what I'm doing, etc., etc. So what I'm going to do instead is I am going to film myself, video myself, whatever, making the basket face to face, and I will talk through the steps and I will put the steps on the screen in text. And each of these steps, then if you want to watch the video, you know, you're just going to have to know already how to do a double crochet or whatever, or watch somebody else's video about that. I'm not a crochet teacher, so I do design my own stuff, but you know, I have a particular skill set and I'm able to talk freely, you know, no shyness, that kind of thing. But I'll tell you warts and all about my thought process as I make something, and you know, if you want to listen to that, that is as close at this moment. That's as close to a tutorial as you're going to get out of me, because I don't have the equipment and or the skill to do a functional tutorial like most people do. Okay? That's where I'm at. I just got to say it like it is. I have tried numerous times to come up with a tutorial on things, and anybody who's been watching my channel for a while knows I keep saying, oh, there'll be a tutorial for that, and then it never comes because it's hard for me. But now I can go back and I can talk about my process on these things and how I made it, walk through it with you, and then if you want to write things down or whatever and make that work for you, great. If it just gives you an idea how to be creative on your own, great. Let's stick with that. And we'll just journey together, okay? That's what I have to offer. All right, so I have a couple things to open. One is delivery number 6 from Joanne, and the other is something I bought. Let me look. So I can't remember if this is Goucher or if it's from the Hooks and Needles place. I suspect it's from Hooks and Needles. I think I bought a couple extra things from them. So let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So this is a yarn spindle, and it is ice cold. There we go. So it's like a little Lazy Susan for my yarn. That's pretty cool. You know, when you're working off of a big ball and it runs around the floor. yarn dispenser in wooden. So there's no paperwork in here. So pretty sure this came from Hooks and Needles, but I'll have to verify. And I will put it in the description box below. And then from Joann's, Joann, they don't like the S on their name, I've got a package of yarn. This is delivery number 6. It is Red Heart with love. Boysenberry. Nice, huh? And this was clearance. And 3-pack. Ooh, ooh. Wow, their With Love is very soft. I did not realize. Of course, I had that multi With Love, and that one was not soft. It wasn't scratchy, but it wasn't soft like this. So this is nice and puffy and soft. This is a number 4 weight yarn. Machine wash and dry. 5.5 millimeter hook, or excuse me, 6.5 millimeter hook, 5.5 millimeter knitting needles, 7 ounces, 370 yards, 338 meters. Pattern on the back. So I have 3 of those, 380 meters, right? 370 meters, so that's 900, it's 1110 meters. It is very soft and squishy. So, and I love that color. It's discontinued, so it won't be around anymore. But I did get those from Joann on their clearance sale. And got a nice discount on it as well. So, and free shipping. Okay, there is one more package coming from them. I'll probably get it next week, I think, because, yeah, they're slow. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.